what was your load like whenever you were an intern and doing your master's? Was it a pretty heavy load? What was that balance like for you in your life at that point in time?
It felt, it didn't feel overwhelming most of the time, but,
Hmm.
it was an engineering degree, and so there was a lot of work. I don't think I was ever a natural student.
Hmm.
I, uh, I like to talk about the fact that there are 2 types of intelligence. There's analytical intelligence and there's practical intelligence. And analytical intelligence is largely what you are tested on at school, and
Hmm.
I'm just, maybe middle of the road there. My
Hmm.
analytical intelligence it's good enough, but it's not stellar. My
Hmm.
practical intelligence, I think, is pretty good. But I kind of struggled in school. I thought it was really hard. I was always in the labs getting extra help from tutors and things like that. We had groups for all the different classes. I made sure to find a group for all the different classes so I could study with other people and learn from them. So, full days for sure. Go to campus 7:30, 8 a.m. and get back to the apartment at 6 p.m. or so, and probably do some homework after that. So, yeah, I didn't love school, to be honest. I love the like kind of the social aspect of it, but
Same.
I didn't love going to school to become an engineer. I enjoy being an engineer in industry a lot more than the schooling portion of it.
Yeah, I totally sympathize with that as well. I kind of viewed it at the time as kind of a means to an end, and I was able to find joy and excitement in the individual unique aspects of things, but it was really kind of for me a test of my willpower and resilience to like that there's something beyond this that I know is really exciting, and school is doing a really good job of giving me glimpses of what that is going to look like, but I'm just not quite there yet. And that was
Totally.
kind
That's
of yeah,
very
it
well
was always
said.
like light at the end of the tunnel, right? The entire
Yeah,
time during college, it's like
yeah,
there's something there, there's something there, and because of that, as you said, my social experiences with my colleagues, I mean, those are the people that are going to be my friends for life. They were in town for Mardi
yeah.
Gras this year, so yeah, it's
It's
just
like you went to war together, right?
no, exactly, exactly. That's why we develop such good relationships with our coworkers too, potentially. Um, yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this segment of the Engineering Success Podcast. If you liked it, make sure to check out the other videos down below that are recommended to you. And if you really like the podcast, make sure to subscribe right down there in the middle. Really appreciate it. It's free to you and helps us a lot out. And last but not least, the best way to help the show grow is to comment down below. So leave your comment if you have any thoughts about this segment. Thanks.
I ain't chasing payments, still playing in the basement while I'm working on arrangements. They heard the kid in 50 countries, thank God that's amazing. But I'd rather thank Spotify, they put me on the station.